What's up, guys? Welcome to Dab Passive. I want to thank you guys that have reached 8,600 followers. And if you're not following me on Library, please click the follow button. I really appreciate that. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please like the video and press the subscribe button. It'll really help me basically grow my channel. And thank you so much for that. Now, moving forward to questions from my previous videos. My previous video was about basically I'm earning $125 each day from dApps, and I got two very good questions on this in comments. First was from Mr. Crypto Network. To earn dividend is just another word for cashback. So I believe, sir, you're saying that these are not dividends, this is cashback. So, sir, if I buy a purchase, basically, if I make a purchase of $100, I'm only going to get cash back of about $5, $10, and maybe $15. Nobody's going to give me the cash back of $100 entirely. So these dApps are not only basically giving us our crypto back plus interest on top of that. All right. So if you're saying it's cashback is never 100%, sir. Plus the interest, forget it. It's like saying that if I'm buying a product of $100, then these guys are going to give me $150 as a cashback. It doesn't make any sense, sir. Second line was there an airdrop to get this free token? So basically you're asking that these tokens are not free. No, absolutely not. They're not for free. You have to invest trons to get Infinitive, and you have to invest basically bitcoins to mine BFG BTC tokens. How to do that, I have already made videos on that. And if you want to learn more about Infinitive, like I said, link is in the description, and you can click on this tutorial, and this tutorial is gonna basically explain you everything about it. So there's no such thing as free lunches in this world, sir. So you're asking for free money, please. Don't be delusional. Now, second comment is from Flex Cougar. Yeah, $125 a day, but to put $12,000 USD. Thanks, but this is a little rich for most people's blood. Well, sir, nobody, sir or ma'am, nobody is telling you to put $10,000 or $100,000, $1,000,000, or even $10. This is your own thing. Whatever your pocket allows, you can do that. If you don't want to do that, it's perfectly fine. You can watch me doing that, right? And speaking of that, in any real world investment, can you invest $100? I mean, $10,000, and you can get $100 a day. Does it ever happen in real world that we invest $10,000 and somebody's gonna give us $100 a day? I don't think so. And I'm talking about every day, not just once in a bloom, every single day. So this is already happening here. On Infinitive, personally, I am in profit right now, and whatever I'm getting right now is a bonus. So yeah, I might have invested this much, but I already got it back. So now whatever I'm getting is a bonus. So please understand these platforms a little carefully. If you're watching this for the first time, these are not scams. I will not promote a scam on this channel. All right? But do your own research and take decisions accordingly. Now, speaking of Infinitive, the new game is launching on Twickenham. It's called Twickenity. I'm gonna do videos about that also, but I am not going to unstake my tokens, which I have about 500,000. And if I go to the leaderboard, I believe I'm still on number 2. I believe, yes. But the good thing is, due to this game launching in about, I believe, 3 days and some hours, yeah, 3 days and 2 hours, it has increased the price of tokens. So yesterday they were going around 0.6 trons per token. Right now, if we see, last time I checked it, it was 0.9 tron for one token. It's increasing. Now it's 0.92. So if you don't have tokens, There's only two ways of getting tokens. You can first basically go to an exchange, Polonidex, which is it has listed today on Polonidex, and or you can buy it from Oikos. And if you want to get tokens for free, now once again, there's no such thing free in this world, but technically it's free. If you see, if you play Infinity contract, you're gonna get mine tokens for free. All right, right now the difficulty rate is 6. For example, if I enter Infinity contract with 6 trons, okay, I'm going to mine 1 token. Basically, if I enter with 6,000, I'm going to mine 1,000 of them, right? So that is another way of getting tokens. So that is about today, guys. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.